Priya.
You girls are disgusting.
अहमदाबाद पर ठूसो.
I'm doing it for a vlog.
धीरे चलना है मुश्किल तो जल्दी ही सही, आँखों के किनारों में बहाने ही सही, हम चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में, धड़कने भी तेज है अब क्या करें, वक्त है तो जीने दे, दर्द है तो सीने दे, ख्वाहिशें अनजान है अब क्या करें.
It's basically our first trip of 2025. It is a religious trip, so I'm really excited because we're starting the year on the perfect note. I'll tell you more about it later because too many people staring at me. But we're going to Palitana. It's one of our religious places in Gujarat. So yeah, our aunt has done an Udhan, which is basically her living like a priest. So we're going to get her home and congratulate her. I have my mom also in the video now. We're at Bandra. I'll continue. I basically told them that we are going to Palitana to get my aunt who's done an Udhan. Basically, I've told them what an Udhan is. It is basically living like a priest. You can give some more insights and knowledge. It's very difficult. Nobody wants to say anything about it. Nobody's entertaining me and my vlog.
Basic idea.
Yeah, it's basically living like a religious sadhu, a priest. How our Jain priests stay in temples. So basically my kaki has done that for 45 days. 47 days. And now it's the last, she's done with it. Now we are going to go to Palitana to basically congratulate her.
Congratulate her in a mal. She's going to wear a moksha mal.
A moksha mal, which is one step closer to heaven according to our according to the Jain beliefs. Bags. That's my bag. Rupali, my mother. That is the Ubdhan lady's husband. That is Dada and Dadi. There is the last member who we've been waiting for 1 hour. She is here.
Maharaj Sahib. What else?
Intense discussions. They're talking about Ubdhan.
It's 47 days without living without a phone.
Oh my god, Gen Z.
No, Priya. It's not Gen Z. It's Gen Z.
Gen Z.
What else is there?
These guys are
After
super
47 days,
lame.
we wear a moksha mal. It's a one step towards moksha.
We are one step backwards.
By not doing it. So we just
And here we are thinking of cup noodles.
and here these girls are talking about midnight snacks. Disgusting. Disgusting. You girls are disgusting.
No, it's not that. We'll have noodles today. Then once we go to Palitana, hisab clear na?
She's right. She's speaking facts.
Why are you going there? You're going there. Balance sheet negative.
No, I'm not going for that.
Balance sheet आखी clean થઈ જાય. So whatever you have to do today.
What? You do it today અને ત્યાં જઈને wash off કરવો છે. See યાર, એવું ના હોય. ઉપર વાળો જોઈ છે તમને.
જો તો every year જાવ છો. એટલે આખા વર્ષના
હા.
accumulate કરી
તારું તો બરાબર છે, તું જાય છે every year. We don't go every year. તો અમારે ક્યાં ધોવા જવાનું?
તો પણ જ્યારે
आज इंटेट कर
We are going to Palitana and we cannot stop talking about food.
No, I was telling her that only that Paltanani bar outskirts ma. You know the dosa you get is amazing. But we never have those.
Mother's reaction has to be recorded.
આપણે કઈ રીતે ખાવા આપણે ધર્મશાળાનું જ ખાવાનું છે.
તો
અરે
ધર્મશાળાનું ખાવાનું એમ નથી પણ
પણ dosa is Jain. We are having Jain dosa.
પણ એમ નથી બહારનું તમે આટલા મોટા તીર્થયાત્રા પર જાઓ આટલા મોટા
But Jain
જૈન ખાવાનું એટલે એ ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ ઉપર છે આઈ વિલ નોટ એ હું કોઈને કહી ના આપણે કોઈને ના
જો
શકીએ
મારા
તમારે
પેરેન્ટ્સ અલાઉ નથી
ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ
કરતા તો અમે કંઈક ઓપ્શન નથી એટલે અમદાવાદ પર ઠૂસો એવું થઈ
સાચે એવું થવાનું છે once you are out of Palitana
Bro, Borivali is so crowded. Literally.
આમાં એટલું નહીં છે આપણામાં
This is the sobo in you talking.
Yeah. We're at Borivali. We're going to get down to get food, but we don't think there's any option
I
over
don't think
here.
there are any stalls over here.
Dadi has joined the party.
તમે નાના હો તમે ફોર્સ કરતા રહેશો તો મોટા થઈને
Successfully reached Songad. It's now a 45-minute trip to Palitana. Let's go. That's Varash.
अब न मुझको याद भी था मैं तो लम्हों में जीता चला जा रहा हूँ मैं कहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ कहाँ हूँ इस यकीन से मैं यहाँ हूँ कि जमाना ये भला है और जो राह में मिला है थोड़ी दूर जो चला है वो भी आदमी भला था पता था जरा बस खफा था वो भंड का जरा ही मेरे गांव का ही वो रास्ता पुराना जिसे याद आना जरूरी था लेकिन जो रोया मेरे दिल वो एक मेरा घर था पुराना सा डर था मगर अपना मैं अपने घर का रहा सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा
So this is the tapasvi I was talking about. This is the tapasvi I was talking about. I'm making a vlog where I was telling. This is tapasvi number 2. This is family. These are both the tapasvis.
इधर का ही हूँ ना उधर का रहा सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा
After successfully completing the jatra, not climbing, but yeah, we kind of did it.
We did it.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
का ही हूँ ना उधर का रहा सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा मैं रहा मैं रहा मैं रहा
So it's 6 a.m. It's day 2. We have to get ready by 8:30. With 3 of us in the room, let's have gotten up first. because apparently I take a lot of time to get ready. So yeah, we have the malfunction wherein she's going to get congratulated by all the priests, and that is basically the end of the trip. That's the last function. Then we go to a few temples here and there with everyone all together, like everyone's going together after that gets over. And then we head. So our train is from Ahmedabad at 1 a.m. in the night, which is why, and it's like a 6-hour drive from Palitana to Ahmedabad. So we probably leave at 5 or 6 a.m. 5 or 6 p.m.
मील पत्थरों से मेरी दोस्ती है, चाल मेरी क्या है राह जानती है, जाने रोजाना जमाना वही रोजाना, शहर शहर फुर्सतों को बेचता हूँ, खाली हाथ जाता खाली लौटता हूँ, ऐसे रोजाना.
We're finally done with the malfunction. We're headed to the temple now. What are you going to do?
No,
Back
so we
check
did puja, then we did paid puja, and we did puja again.
All three things about is food.
No, I did not puja.
And now we're going to do going for a Back check and then we are going to do so like this. Our today's Jatra is done. Yeah. So we'll see you later. Bye.
जब से गाँव से मैं शहर हुआ, इतना कड़वा हो गया कि जहर हुआ, मैं तो रोजाना न चाहता ये हो जाना, मैंने ये उम्र वक्त रास्ता गुजरता रहा.
We are going to eat. My mother has literally forced us to go for lunch. To have what? What is it?
Gatte ka sabzi.
Easy food. Gatte ka sabzi and all of that. So let's see. Next clip will be the food.
But anyway, we're going to break it at night, so there's no point eating right now.
Yeah. Inshallah, I'm having rabdi. I finished. The kachori was really good. Now I'm having bhat and chaat. Mom's plate. Priyal's plate. Food was good. Loving it. See you later.
इधर का ही हूँ ना उधर का रहा, सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा, इधर का ही हूँ ना उधर का रहा, सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा, मैं रहा मैं रहा.
Now, Priya. Priya, what's happening now?
So we decided thought we were going to go home, but then we took the rickshaw to the market, and now we've come back to the same place to pick up everyone. We thought there'd be 2 people, but the whole family. Just go, just walk.
This you should capture.
Nobody's capturing me. Go, please. Are you happy to go? I'm doing it for a vlog. This is second floor.
मैं
Bye, bro.